What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We have finally got the call we've been waiting for, man. You guys know we took our Road King down to BBV a couple of days ago, and man, that thing's been sitting, getting a little stuff done. So it's finally time to shine, man. Our Road King is done. It's running the bars and everything. It's A1, turn signals is gone. We got Mama in the back. Mama, you ready? You ready? Huh?
There was medicine in there.
It tastes like medicine?
Yuck.
Yeah, we put some medicine in our cup. But, you know, without further ado, man, if you guys haven't then, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's head up to BBV. I can't wait to see how this thing rides. It's going to be my first time riding. I'm going to just kill two birds with one stone with y'all, man. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, man. We just pulled up to BBV. We got our Thanksgiving foods right here, man. Let's get our helmet. Yes, sir. Just pulled up. Y'all know what time it is, man. Got everything in the house, man. Y'all know if y'all ever in Vegas, man, y'all know where to come get your bikes worked on. What's up, man? How you doing? Man, I hear you. It's time to go up. What we got? What is it, man?
These aren't supposed to be soldered. They're really not, because they, have a certain load these have to go through. When you solder them, it ruins
takes
them.
the load off.
So that's right. Nothing was working. So
he pretty much screwed us.
Yeah.
Because it was working before I took it to them.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm like, I don't understand why they won't work.
I don't know if you want to take that back or anything, but all got replaced.
And y'all see what's going on, man. I love coming up here, all the parts. It's like you can build a whole freaking bike up here and just take it downstairs. All right, you good to roll? Thank you. All righty, guys. Here we have it. Our 2014 Road King with a Dandada on the him high. Nah, I'm playing, man. We gotta why do you put the bars up like that? I'm gonna have to adjust these bars back when we get home. Alrighty, guys, here we have it, our 2014 Road King. Now, I don't like how the bars are sitting up cholo style, so we're gonna definitely change them out, because remember, guys, we still have our color matched cans right here, which we'll have to put on. Antonio's already said they were done, so we just got to go to LA and pick them up. So we'll do the bars and stuff the same time we do that, knock them all out in one. But so far so good. We got the back wheel on there looking really good and everything, so that's a plus. It's freaking matching. I'm happy. Like I said, guys, we got the Fuel Moto air breather on here. And then we have the Jackpot exhaust with the headers and everything, man. So, of course, this thing sounds good. We got to go to Harley real quick, see if we can get a ring for this bike, just so we can set our other piece on there. And then from there, we'll just cruise to the crib, man. So, let's see what's good, man. I can't wait. We can get a first start on this bad boy and see how it's sounding. Need to get some gas as well. Okay. It ain't that black one, but it's a nice sound to it. It ain't the black one, but it's a nice sound. So, that's a plus. Let's see. We got our turn signals and everything work now, man. So, that's dope. I'm about to hop on this thing and put y'all on the GoPro, man. Let me know what y'all think. to come get some gas in this thing. I ain't gonna even hold you. This first ride is crazy. This thing definitely got like a cam or something in this bad boy, man. This thing is not stock whatsoever. Like I said, it's got the fuel motor air breather and the jackpot freaking pipes and exhaust, but man, it's definitely got some motor work. This thing is too fast and too quick to be stock. I just know how it feels, man. In my other 103s and stuff like that, didn't feel nothing like this. Like this even feel faster than the 110, to be honest with you. So I don't know, we'll see. We got to adjust these bars so we can really ride it comfortably, but y'all see it here first. A good 3 gallons, we good to go. Alrighty, man, we just left Harley. We was supposed to just come here and get a freaking ring. We ended up getting a windshield and everything for it, man. So y'all see what's going on. Man, we done finally made it to the house. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. This bike feels freaking amazing on the freeway. Now, this is like my first time riding without a windshield on the freeway like that. Man, let me tell you, if you ain't never rode a Road King without a windshield at 90-mile-an-hour wind, definitely an experience, man. But we got it here to the house. We can throw our fender on there now. Antonio has our cups done, so these chrome cups is no more. We do have the ring to finish off this whole complete bike. So today or tomorrow, this bike will be 100% complete, depending on when we go to Antonio's. But so far, so good. Can't wait. Was riding amazing. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. Next day, we're back at Harley. We have to come back and pick up our windshield that we got for our Road King. Man, you guys know the windshield we love to get that has that freaking... Oh my God, that has that Harley looking that much better, man. Let's pick this thing up, get back to the house, and see if we can get this front fender mounted today. Let's finally made it back to the house, man. We got our screws for the fender. We got our windshield for the Road King. And we got a spider on this bike still, man. It's like spider webs all over this bike. Never had spider webs in my garage before, so I got to pull this thing out and get it cleaned again, man, because I'm not having that, man. So let's get it going real quick. Now that the bike is pulled out, we got our wraparound fender here. Now, usually these fenders, man, the wraparound fenders, the holes like that they pre-drill on the fender never really lines up, man. So we probably got to drill that thing out with our handy dandy driller. And we'll get that thing fitted up. Can't wait to get that thing on, so, man. So I'm going to try out and see what's happening real quick. Alrighty, guys, I got that front fender on there. I didn't freaking snapped one of these bolts. I don't know what was up with it, but we got to get another bolt for the front fender here. All in all, though, it's pretty much on there. We take this cardboard out. Just like that, we got our fender on there. Now I can throw that freaking windshield on there. Now, I don't know if it's going to go on there flush. However, these handlebars got to get switched back, man. So I'm about to pull this light off, or pull this off rather, so I can get to this handlebar, because I can't do it like this, brother. Now that our bars is not like Cholo style no more, we good to go there. We just got to put our mounts on for our windshield right here because these mounts are not going to work. But we'll get this thing going real quick. Wow, man. Freaking wow. Like, this color just looks so freaking cold, y'all. Like, look at the wheels. Oh, my God. Got them chrome lowers on that bad boy. I like the little cover right there. We got our windshield and everything on that bad boy as well. Looks really, really good, man. I am digging this freaking color. This thing is sick. Let's get back in the sun, though. Let's get back in the sun, y'all. What y'all think about it? That thing looks so cold. And like I said, this one does have like a stage 2 or definitely got a stage 3, man. There's some motor work and stuff in here. It's definitely not stock at all. It's probably the fastest bike I got right now with the 114 and the 107. This 103 bumped up. It's definitely faster than those, but it is really sick, man. You like the motorcycle? You like it? What color is it? Green. It's green? Yeah, you like it? Looks really nice. Okay, okay. Yeah. You like the rims? Don't go on the street. You like the rims? Yeah, these? Yeah, look good, huh? Yeah, look real nice, man. I'm loving it. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. We can get a first start. Gonna see what's up. Let's see. Let's see about it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She running and looking good, big dog. Running and looking good. I can't wait. Let's go. Thing look cold. Which one y'all think sound better? This one? Or my Road Glide, man. We're gonna get the Road Glide and see if that one sounds a little bit beefier, man. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below so far. Alrighty, man. We heard the Road King for today. Like I said, we got spiders or something on this Road Glide, man. So I gotta watch this one up again. Make sure it's all good to go. In the meantime, we can check out this Road Glide and see what it sound like compared to the Road King. Y'all let me know which one sound louder. Let it warm up for a little minute. It ain't been started in a couple days. Just gonna let it go up for a second. Get it to operating temperature. Can't wait, man. The inner and outer fan for this thing is like taking forever to get here. It was supposedly should have been here already, but I don't know. We gonna see. Y'all let me know what's good. Yes, sir. Let's see. Still think this one is louder. That's crazy. That's wild, man. That's freaking wild. This thing is so loud, sounds so good. Oh my goodness. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the bikes, specifically the Road King, in the comments below, man. I can't wait. That ride was freaking fun on this joint. And I had to pull them all out real quick just to see what this Charlotte Hornet looked like lining up together, man. Y'all know the Hornets is like this color. Excuse me, this color scheme. Loving it. What you guys like better, the green and the gray, which is really awesome. I love that color. Or like the purplish burgundy and the gray, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Loving this setup here. Looks really good. Alrighty, man. We done got this thing cleaned down again. And we'll set it up on a jack stand, so if we see any more spider webs, we know we still got a spider around. But we should be good to go, man. I low-key want to freaking do a burnout in this little water right here or something, man. I don't know. I kind of want to hear these pipes, but I don't want to irritate my neighbors too much. my God. This thing sounds crazy. Like, I was barely like, I wasn't even really trying to do that. But, you know, the way the water was set up and the tires were set up, man, this thing just went. But does sound freaking good, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. We got everything back in the garage. All the bikes are ready to go. This one is ready to go. We just got to put our cups on there. Color matched, of course. And those are done. And this one, we just got to put our crash bar on there, man. So can't wait. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, for my 2020 Road Glide special here or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat. This is our first place bike. That is our second place bike, man. You guys know this one is freaking fast as heck. So second place is not as bad. I'm telling you, it's not bad at all, man. So if you guys want to win either of these bikes, man, head over there to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You buy one hat, you have the option to win either one. You buy two hats, you may just be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there right now and go get your Everything's Regular hat, man. I can't wait. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We finally picked up our Road King, got that thing riding. Know that it feels good and it is freaking fast, man. We also got our windshield, put that thing on there. Also, our front fender is on there. I can't wait to slide that thing again, man. It was definitely a fun ride. We'll be taking that thing back on a ride here pretty shortly. We got our Road Glide all complete as well. Just need a crash bar for that. We'll be putting that on in the next couple days or so. And then our Road Glide, our special Road Glide right here, man. Burning rubber and everything at the light, man. So I can't wait to get this thing situated. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special or my 2014 Road King, I'm giving them both away. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You buy one hat, you have the option to win either one. You buy two hats, you may be lucky enough to win them both. All hats will be shipped out when the giveaway is complete. We're more than halfway sold out, man. So go get your entry right now before it's too late. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.